10 things truly happy people do every day. Embark on the journey to true happiness and be inspired by those who have already succeeded. Discover the secrets of their contentment and learn how to bring more joy into your daily life. You might be surprised that the difference between happy and less happy people is not in what they do, but how they do it. Just a few simple changes in approach and mindset can allow you to taste their recipe for a happy life. Don't worry, it doesn't cost a fortune or require hours of hard work at the gym. It's about small but significant shifts in perception and experiencing everyday situations. Even in the midst of hustle and stress, it's possible to consciously apply at least some of these happiness principles and gradually transform your life for the better. See for yourself that achieving life satisfaction is easier than it seems when you know how. In today's video, we will introduce you to 10 key habits that happy people regularly cultivate. Let them guide you and take the first step on your own path to happiness. Live in the present. Each moment gives us the possibility to decide whether we want to be happy or not. We can't change the past and the future is uncertain, so it's essential to live consciously in the present and appreciate it. The present moment is a gift we should be grateful for. Make the most of this precious moment you have at your disposal. Accept imperfection. Even the happiest people have their flaws and shortcomings. The difference is that they don't worry about them. Instead, they can laugh about them and accept them as a natural part of life. No one is perfect, and our imperfections are what make us human. Relax, accept your perceived flaws, and don't compare yourself to unrealistic ideals. Be yourself, and love yourself as you are. Enjoy learning new things. One of the key factors of happiness is continuous learning and personal development. Acquiring new skills, learning about different cultures and languages, sports, and other fields stimulates our happiness hormones and brings a sense of fulfillment. By boldly stepping into the unknown and overcoming our limits, we ensure a flow of positive emotions. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Your courage will be rewarded, and you will be proud of your pioneering spirit. Prioritize time for themselves. Happiness requires space and time. Often we rush through life so quickly that we miss precious, exciting, and emotionally charged moments that could fill us with joy and satisfaction. Instead of rushing from one meeting to another, take regular breaks that belong only to you. Slow down, enjoy the beauty of the present moment, and give yourself moments of peace and relaxation. These moments are essential for your mental well-being and overall satisfaction. Don't give too much importance to minor failures. To achieve happiness, it's crucial to adopt an "it's no big deal" attitude. The English have a fitting saying, "Shit happens," and there's a lot of truth in that. The fewer things that can upset you, the more you can enjoy life. Carefully consider what is really worth sacrificing your inner peace for. Learn to accept minor failures with perspective and don't let them affect your overall well-being. Enjoy helping others. You surely know the saying that giving brings more joy than receiving. This principle is rooted in many religions and cultures worldwide. Scientific studies also confirm that giving brings us more satisfaction than receiving gifts. Whenever you have the opportunity to help someone or give them a sincere compliment, don't hesitate. These generous gifts of happiness are what will ultimately bring you the most joy and fulfillment. You'll see how the good feeling from helping others positively influences your own life. Spend time in nature and stay active. Is there a universal remedy for bad moods, physical discomfort, frustration, and chronic negativity? The answer is simple. Put on comfortable shoes and head out into nature. Combine these outings with sufficient physical activity, and you'll see how your body and mind transform. Being active in nature keeps us fit, supports our health, and stimulates the production of happiness hormones in large quantities. We don't need much, but regular interpersonal contact, even a short conversation with the baker around the corner, benefits us all. Show interest in others, ask them how they are doing. Not only will it please them, but the positive energy will come back to you. Building and maintaining interpersonal relationships is the key to long-term satisfaction and a sense of belonging. Stop and appreciate all the good things you have in life. Don't focus on what you lack, but be grateful for what you already have. Appreciate that you have a roof over your head, a bed to sleep in, food in the fridge, and a job that fulfills you. You can expand this list further because cultivating gratitude is the path to true joy and satisfaction. How we view the day ahead in the morning can affect its entire course. The power of positive thinking is not just a fairy tale, it has been scientifically proven. Use this knowledge and don't let yourself be drawn into negative thoughts upon waking. Focus on the good things that await you and enter the new day with optimism and enthusiasm. In conclusion, it's important to emphasize that happiness is not a distant goal we achieve after completing major life milestones. On the contrary, happiness consists of many small, seemingly unnoticed moments of joy and satisfaction that we experience every day. The key to not missing these precious moments is to be fully present in the present moment. Don't cling to the past or fixate on the future, but live fully here and now. Enter each new day with a positive and optimistic attitude because your mindset can significantly influence how you experience the whole day. Cultivate gratitude for what you have. Build deep and sincere relationships, be willing to help others, and accept yourself as you are. These aspects have a huge impact on your overall satisfaction and well-being. Never stop learning new things and stay active. Utilize the healing power of nature, which offers perfect therapy for any pain or uncertainty. Life doesn't happen sometime in the future, but right now, and it's too short to waste it on dissatisfaction or feelings of rejection. If you feel you deserve more, don't be afraid to reach for it. If you have a big dream or desire that you believe is the key to your happiness, it's your duty and privilege to work on it and achieve it. Find joy in what each day brings you. Happiness is attainable for each of us. It only depends on how we approach it and how much we are willing to work on ourselves. If you follow these principles and live life fully, you will discover the true source of joy and satisfaction within yourself. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you to find everything you desire on your path to happiness. Have a great day.